success, not failure. Mr. Ashmu Fair, the designer, creates systems for success, built on love and trust, never forgetting users want money too. No recruiting concerns. When he releases publicly, customers will flood in, 1,000,000 founders and affiliates waiting with open arms. And our incredible company, failure taken now. Not failure by design, but success by creation. No more 98% lost, just floodgates open with open arms. Open with open arms. You were set to fail, but now designed for compensation models built for experts. No, our company now coming very soon has taken the failure out. Designed for success, not failure.